Today while sandblasting, I blew away part of the vinyl, and this could ruin a cup, but in this case it's something that I can actually fix. With a piece of Scotch-Brite and 1000 grit sandpaper, I'm going to get the finish on this cup back to basically like it looked when the cup was purchased. Now, I'm by no means an expert at this, but just by trial and error I was able to get the finish back to essentially its original condition. One of the most important things while buffing this surface out, you want to make sure you stay with the grain of the prior brushed surface. So in this case I'm going side to side, as you can see in the video. In all, it took me about 10 minutes, including taping, to finish this process. Every now and then I would stop and I would move the cup back and forth in the light and check to see if I was making any progress or if I was causing any damage. At this point I'm almost where I want to be. I'm looking at the finish and you can barely see. If you're really scrutinizing, you can kind of see a shadow. So at this point I'm going to pull out the 1000 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to very slowly move this sandpaper side to side with the grain of the previously polished finish or brushed finish, and I'm putting a little bit of pressure on. I'm trying to get that into the metal, but at the same time I'm not trying to scratch that surface in a way that would be noticeable. Okay, I'm finished and I'm happy with the result, and now I'm going to powder coat this cup. On this particular cup I'm using a candy color, and that means that whatever's underneath is going to shine through. So while it's a positive because you want the logos that were sandblasted to be exposed and shine through or show through that candy color, you definitely don't want any of your mistakes to be magnified by the candy color that's covering the cup. So at the end of this you'll be able to see the finished product, and you can judge for yourself whether or not the finish that was repaired is equal to the original finish. Now this cup is a gift, and it's important to me that it's perfect. And there's absolutely no indication to me. I'm looking at this with a very critical eye. I'm looking at it in real life. You're looking at it on video. There is absolutely no indication that there was any place that the vinyl came off and that the cup's finish was damaged. It looks fantastic, and I'm really happy with the end result. I hope that if you find yourself in the same situation, that this video helps you solve your problem as well. Thanks again for watching our videos. Have a great day.